Hello? Hello? Which mic is this? I think this is my camera has a mic. My webcam has a mic. But why is my Razer mic not working? Okay. Let's see. Mic. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, I see this mic option moving now, so I guess you guys can hear me. So I will go back to me explanation. Wow, this looks so trippy. I love it. What the hell? Yo, yo. There's like so many windows open. This is like so trippy. But getting back to work, since this whole time I've been talking and you guys didn't actually hear jack shit, I'm gonna re-explain what I've just been talking about. So this is my Nexus. This is what I have been working on for myself. Okay, let's see. Hello, Nexus. Can you tell me your name and purpose?
I am NEXUS, designed to assist with various tasks including system monitoring, memory usage checks, uptime retrieval, load average fetching, disk usage analysis, Minecraft server player listing, whitelist management, and chat message sending via a Minecraft Archon wrapper. How may I assist you today, sir?
See, all of that extra stuff after memory usage checks is not gonna be on the community edition. Now, what is the community edition? I'm going to make, or I'm right now making. We're gonna do this on the stream. A community edition of my Nexus that is going to be a full, like, not, yeah, fully built package that you can just download, install. It's gonna download all the dependencies that like you need: Ollama, Piper, Faster Whisper, the models, everything. And yeah, because like every other person that wants Jarvis can't make Jarvis, and I want, like, even all the open source stuff, right? If they are not like, tech savvy like you and me, they won't be able to just like change all the code and make it so that it works for them, because you have to do that even if code is open source. The reason why it's open source is that so you can take it and change it and make it your own. So at the end of the day, me making this open source doesn't really help, because okay, mic is working. I just have to make sure. A lot of people can't use it the way I just want them to use it. I want it to be like a product that they can just like download and talk about, like, yo, you heard about that app Nexus? And I'm like, what's Nexus? And then someone will be like, yeah, check this out. That's what I want. But before I go on to community edition, I want to show you how, like, what are actually like the possibilities of this. Is so much. And I know someone out there is going to download my community edition and then, mod it to their needs like this. I will obviously make all my mods that I have to my version uh open source too. So let's see what else can it do. Can you check uptime on Minecraft server?
Run uptime on Minecraft server.
Confirm.
Done.
Oh, but that's player count. That's not uptime. Maybe it is a 0 minute something something. It's not showing the whole thing. Weird. Can you check uptime on NAS? Remote uptime.
Run uptime on NAS.
Confirm. See, this one is showing better. Up for
Done.
4 days, 23 hours and 15 minutes. One user. can you can you check disk usage on NAS?
Run disk usage check on NAS.
Confirm. See, I have my whole NAS.
Done.
Love that. Can you check RAM on NAS?
Run memory
Aha.
check on NAS. Done.
This is so satisfying to me, at least. Like, I don't know how to explain this. I've actually, ugh, so much troubleshooting. You have no idea. Especially when you're vibe coding, you know you gotta troubleshoot more than you actually write code, which I don't mind, cause I hate typing. I hate typing line after line of code. I want to make the idea that I want this to go into this, then this, form a loop like this, and I want this as the output, this is the input. You give all of that to AI, it will write the code for you. All you need to do is debug it. I'm all for debugging, man. And what else did I even make? I forgot the whole tool list, bro. Let me see. Can you tell me CPU and RAM usage? This is for local.
To get the CPU and RAM usage, I will check the remote host. Shall I proceed?
I don't, yeah, I had to make some local hosts. I never got done to that because I started doing the community stuff. And wait a second, let's just say, yes, proceed. Let's see if you can actually do anything by that. Remote uptime. It's still gonna check uptime
Run
on
uptime
NAS.
on NAS.
Okay, so
Done.
we can close this, but you know what's nice? Watch. Hey Jarvis. Oh no no no. It's not toggled on. Wait. Wake word toggle is on. Hey Jarvis. Woo! See,
Systems online, sir. Hello.
haha. So to make this say like respond to Hey Nexus, I need to train it. But Hey Jarvis is like a pre-trained version of like this wake word that you can already get from home automation and home assistant, and it works. So with a little bit of tweaking, I can eventually make this so that it wakes up with Hey Nexus, and that's about it for my Nexus. Cross this, quit, so I don't. Allah, Abu, please, man. Abu, whoa. Hmm. Mm, mm, yeah. Oh, yeah. Anyways, now that that demo's done, I'll also show how the workflow looks like file folders. Wait a second. Going to users, me, and then here. We have Jarvis voice. This is where my Nexus is. If you go in here, you see all of this, right? Voices, that's where just all the voices are. That's where this is. That's where this is, you know? And that's it. These are all the files. These are all the files. Nexus push to talk, Nexus tools, Nexus tray, overlay, and core. Versus. This is Nexus public. Okay. We have folders. Ignore these. I'm gonna just delete them right now. We got the virtual environment, okay? This is where these stay, where the engine runs. These are clients. These are different kinds of clients that I can access or like interact with. my Nexus. Watch is to see the different states. Talk to Nexus, push to talk is so I can push to talk. Talk to Nexus is a version of me talking to Nexus where it just listens for 5 seconds. Client is where I text it and it texts back. And chat and speak is where I text and it answers back. So these are a lot of different versions so far. Eventually it's just gonna be just one here, and I can probably leave the other ones too if anybody wants to use them, or like, I can make other use cases for them. Inside engine we have Nexus D, and then PyK cache. API has the routes chat stream. There's events that marks all the events that happen in the app. There's listen, text to speech, and I forgot what this was for. Then the event bus is where all the events are there. This is what is imported in what fuck in API in routes events. Everything is imported into the other one, and here and there and there. This is like a real stack of like files for a real software. When you go into like a software that you download from the store and you go into its file folders, this is the kind of shit layout that you see. I will show you the folder layout. One sec. Bada bing boom 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 boom. Backend locked. System architecture. No, this is not the one. Build progress here. Look at the file tree. This is what it is, what it looks like. That's a ton of shit. I know. Which is why this is not the open source stuff. The open source one that if anybody wants to do, like, tap into, it's gonna be just what I worked on there. However, for the less tech savvy people, we're gonna have a downloadable version. Just click download, install, and it's gonna be like, nexus.exe file. But that's work, eh? So, oh shit, I can't see my screen. Too much sunlight. Anyways, okay. Before I demo this, let me make the changes that I had to. And if you guys are curious about this, how I work on the projects, go watch the stream from yesterday and a day 4 stream, because I actually, not day 4, day 5 stream, because I actually talked a lot about how I manage my files and just like migrate all the project updates from one chat to another, one project to another. My chest hurts so much. I have gas. Today's fast is like catching up to me. What? Okay, forget about this. These two. Rewrite actions input. Copy. Where is actions input again? Tools. Yep. It's a mess out here, bro. Boom. delete, paste, save, and then it's done. Then we got intent, copy. And then restart backend, sure. Started. See. Waiting for application startup. Application startup complete. UV corn running on. Boom, 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 boom. Now we start the watch client. See, connecting to this. Connected. Waiting for events. Now, whenever I do anything or start it, it's gonna show the logs. And these logs are important because when I make the software front end, the UI, the user interface, everything changes based on these states of the software, which is why these events are necessary. Essential, not just necessary. They're very much essential. The more events I have, the more variations I can put in the UI, and yeah, makes my life easier, makes the user experience better. So yeah, let's try a client. Hello Nexus. Oh gosh, it's two today. Let me see what test it asked me to test. It said open notepad and then type hello in notepad. Yes, okay, let's see if those actually work. Open notepad. Enter. It's asking me a question. So I type yes. I'm gonna type yeah, not yes. Okay. And now that that's open already, I'll come back here. Type I am Nexus in notepad. Type I am Nexus into notepad. Yes. It works. Let's go. Eventually. See, you can ask me, oh, if you can type I am Nexus and type I am Nexus into the chat, why not just type I am Nexus into notepad yourself? Because dumbass, this is not what the workflow is gonna look like. It's gonna be voice. We're gonna talk. Nexus is gonna talk back. I'm gonna be like, hey Nexus, can you open notepad? It's gonna be like, you want me to open notepad? Yes. Then I'm gonna be like, can you type? And then da 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 in notepad. And it's gonna be typed. Oh, let's go. Let's no, come back here. Boom boom. Type Abra is the best. Yup. Nice. Oh my goodness, baby. Yeah? That's so cute. Aye. Sorry? No, you can see them, but they're not gonna come up on the counter. No cats on the counter. Well, this missed a letter. Interesting. Let's try again. Doom. Yes. Please. Oh, this time it worked. See, I'm giving a different response. I said, yeah, yes, please. Because it needs to, like, I'm not gonna say yes every time like a robot. Wow. No. Wow. She's like, their tails are all like up. They're looking for the food. Like, where is it? Where's the smell coming from? You can't open wet food for cats, but they all come line up. Lovely. This is working. This is working here. So first is last look at that per session, so I can say just type hello Nexus and knows where to type it. I don't know. Okay. Okay, done. That worked. Now we can close all of these windows. Oh, if you see here, 74 events. Run started, user message, state changed, assistant message run ended, run started, user message, state changed, tool proposed, tool confirmation requested. That's when it opened notepad. And then tool confirmation requested. That's every. Holy. Why is she the loudest one? She's the smallest one. What? Oh, there's so many. I know, and they're all scared of me. Except for her. Yeah, she's my baby. She's not scared of me. Ew, why is she wet? That's a lot. No, no. Shit. I forgot one bowl. No. Go, everybody, go eat. Go. Go. Blackie, right? Hurry up. No. Okay, Jackie's gonna sleep this now. Blackie doesn't want to eat. Jackie, don't eat. Lucas, go. Let's eat. I'm gonna have to go. Black, go. What? Who? She was here first. Like she was in the kitchen, and then she left after she saw me. Yeah, I was just scared. Uh, Blackie didn't come to go by the way. So go on with the available. So like, don't take that out from Blackie that comes out. I'll put it here. Put back. Okay, just watch over the video. We can. Be back. Wait, I need some background noise. Some tunes. You don't like my background noise. That's why I said I need some background noise, because all I'm hearing is like that. That. Where's the one that I like? So not the one.
The doors closed last time, people.
Oh my god. I hate ads so much. Interesting. See, every day you see something new. What website is this? Creo AI, run it all. Meet your AI super agent, run any task anytime. Ooh, I like the website. What? Who designed this? How much did they? What? Oh my god, what? That is so much extra UI design. I feel bad for whoever designed this. Come look, see? Draco's retarded. Baby, see? Yeah. This is so cool. Whoever designed this UI had to like go through like depression to make this.
No.
Yeah,
Sure.
kind of. Look, nothing else moves. This moves. It's like,
Yeah, that makes sense.
what do you mean? That's like such an extra layer to add all this physics, bro. Look, it's not just like it's changing. It has like Loki physics. This one doesn't morph with the other one type shit. Like it's like a pattern. What? Interesting. Pricing. Let's see. Free, start free, no card required, and then it's $12 a month. Mmm. I'm tempted. Mmm.
You took off my sweater, right?
Yeah.
Where is it?
There. Under this. Oh no, it's on the door hanging. My bad.
This isn't big enough to cover her face.
Just cover her face with a handkerchief or some shit. You're gonna be hot. Okay. I bookmarked it. I will do a stream of just using this website. I'm gonna try out different AI websites on streams. That will be interesting, right? Let me know. Ding 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 ding. It working. Oh my god. What is it? It is my mic. Next step.
Jackie's eating so slow, and Draco's dying too. He already started with Venus's from
Why is it bugging? Yeah, that is dev mode behavior. Thank you for like making me feel bad. Open Notepad and type hello. I will open Notepad and type hello. Confirm. Yes. Launch. Focus. Type. Respond. One single confirmation. Next file to bid. Tool plans. We will allow multiple tools in one proposal. Execute them sequentially in one confirmation. Return one final assistant message. You are ready to implement this will. Before that, you know how I said type hello in Notepad? I also wanna be able to say, why is this keyboard like this? Able to say type a paragraph about global warming in Notepad and such stuff, where LLM is actually useful. If you want to introduce ideas, it has to be like early on, because if I make something and then it makes the whole thing that it just proposed to me, the tool set thingy that is gonna call a bunch of tools all at once and then give me one confirmation. Orchestrator is available. What do you mean we need to? Shit, I was about to vape. What? Don't unzip files. Inspecting orchestrator script output. It made an orchestrator file earlier, but I think not, because that was low-key a different chat. Let me see if it made orchestrator here even once. So many files, and it's lagging. Nope. Nope. We just wait and see. Wait and see. Wait, chat, can you even vape on stream? Like, then I wouldn't like have to like go off camera and shit. I could just vape, right? No, you can't.
Why?
You can?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
What's wrong with vaping?
I don't know. I'm just asking. I didn't know. But okay, which one is it making? Rewrite intent. Okay. Goal support commands. Let's have a paragraph or go on my notepad. Type a short email to my landlord about a leak in notepad. Type 3 bullet points about X in notepad. Where LLM generates text, then Nexus focuses the app and types it. Yes. That's fine. 2 full rewrites is fine. Intent, new compose plus type intent. Nexus orchestrator. Yeah. By calling Ollama. Oh my god. Already? This chat is getting too long. So we're gonna have to import everything. Wait. Keep waiting. See, Nexus build guide. That was my Nexus. That's the one where everything relating to my version of it is still I love the OBS screen for some reason. I don't even know. It's just something cool. What? Some glow on my face would help. Looks too dark here. Compose system prompt. Damn. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if these workish. If they workish. Tools, intent. Is copied. Go here. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Close it. And after intent, we have orchestrator, right? Yep. Copy. Go back here. Go back here. Go back here. The lines of code just keep going up. Holy. Boom, boom, boom. Restart all of them and then test the clients. Bet. Oh, did I not stop the clients? Interesting. Okay, let's Control C. Clear. And then Control C. Oh, that already closed because I closed the engine. Makes sense. Boom, boom, boom. If I turn off the engine, these and these, they both turn off. They should at least. Okay, restart. It started. That's good. That's good. That means that's a good sign. That also is watching for events. That's also a good sign. And then let's try the text client first. Open Notepad. Yes. I'll come back here. Type a paragraph about global. I don't know why I was like warming. So warming. Global warming and Notepad. Generate the text and type it into Notepad? Yes. There's many instances of Notepad open. So we will just keep this one open here. See what happens. Yes, sir. It is typing into the Notepad. Let's go. Let's go. God bless vibe coding, bro. Oh, I would have to spend like a good 2-3 days fucking going back and forth on all this code to get to this point. I did it in like one day, less than a day, last night, and like right now, an hour on stream. Man, we are up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, let's do something different about Epstein files. Yes, I don't even know. I don't know if the model would know what Epstein files are, but you never know. Ain't no way. The Epstein files refer to a collection of documents and Yo. Alright, if I just put the enter on the next part, right? Let's try. Paragraph with bullet points about Epstein files in 300 words. We're trying to make it harder to see if the LLM can actually deal with it. Come on, baby. Come on. Work for me. Please, 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 please. No. It said null. Let's see. Oh shit, my light. I'm sorry. Typing failed at line 6 character are believed to contain crucial information about Epstein's alleged and are believed to contain crucial information about Epstein's alleged. Efforts to unseal the files have been ongoing, driven by public parse error. Why? Okay, Control C, and we can see the events. What happened here? Run ended. Okay, so I can still say hello, and yeah, get a response back. So it's still running. The engine is running. Oof, nice, nice, nice. We go back here. So look at the prompts I tried, and it was going well until the last one. Can you check what's up? But you guys don't understand. I got it to type paragraphs on the notepad. This is a milestone that I didn't think I'd be able to achieve or reach or hit so fast. God bless AI. I know it's gonna be the end of us, but at the end of the day, see, there's a workaround for every single issue. That's why you test different prompts. Because what if I build this whole thing with the assumption that yeah, I can write paragraphs, but what if it can't write bullet points? Because when you write bullet points, you do the /n next line, and when it becomes next line, this happens. PowerShell is parsing my generated text as a code and not as a string, and failing. And I'm not surprised. Oh, but I am surprised that this worked so nicely. All y'all talking about you gotta debug 10 times more, excuse me, when you vibe code, are just vibe coding wrong. Which is why I'm streaming. So you guys can look and I guess follow along, type shit. Analytics. Hey, yo, there's no viewers today. Mm. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, let me shout out the stream real quick. Rob the bank, man. Ugly. Yo. Hey, yo. That's funny as fuck. The latency is like almost non-existent when I'm trying to. Yeah, 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 yeah. Copy link. Yeah. Hey, I played music at some point, but there's no music. Oh, there it is. Can you hear me though? The music better not be louder than my voice. So tell me in the chat if you guys can't hear me talking. Please, please, please. I beg. Because I don't want to watch the stream later on and be like, oh no, you can't actually hear me talking. But it looks like you can. The mic keeps going up, so I'm hoping it's working. So actions input, we gotta change it and then restart it. Okay, okay. Da, 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 da. This is, which one was it? Actions input. Start the watch client. Let's test it. Let's not do yup, let's do yeah. Well, this time I didn't open notebook though. So let's see if you can still do it. Type a paragraph with bullet points about Epstein files in 300 words, and it is doing it. Yo! And this is like, it's not typing in like terminal, it's typing in a notepad. That's the cool part. Yay! Those clips, they go on to shorts. They go on to shorts, YouTube shorts, you know? Notable figures like Donald Trump Jr., Andrew Cuomo, and Bill Clinton have been implicated in connection with these files, according to the controversy surrounding them. Yo, 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 yo. open notepad and what if I do them together? Open notepad and type hello. Yes. Ah, don't save. Hit open notepad, right? Okay. Let's try this time. Yup. You are not understanding where I'm going with the implications of this. Eventually, I'm going to make it so that it can just choose the focus window. Suppose I'm on Visual Studio and then I want a loop about this, and then I can be like, hey, Nexus, can you focus on the window that I'm in right now and add a for loop that starts from this to this and eventually gives me this, and it will write code for me. Trust, trust, trust. We're gonna get there. And I need to go to the washroom real quick. Might be something better than ChatGPT. See, you can implement AI in almost anything you need. Any activity, any project or hobby you have, you can implement AI in it and make it faster. Cause you know what, my wife just proposed to me, and it's so sick. She wants to make clothes for my baby, right? And she's finding different clothes, but every piece of clothing has different patterns, and pattern making is harder than just sewing and stuff and just like modding clothes. There are whole like university like classes and like courses and stuff just for pattern making when you go to school for fashion designing. What she's trying to do is just take a picture of the cloth, add it to ChatGPT, and see if it can make a pattern for it. If not, she's probably gonna figure out how. If she can't, I will help her out because I make clothes. I do make clothes. I have my own clothing brand. I'm hella into fashion. I don't look that nice or dripped out on stream because I'm home. I'm looking after my kid and fasting right now. I'm tired. I'm not gonna be dripped out. But if you check out my Instagram, I do have like a lot of like fashion stuff, and that's a whole different niche. We all over the place. I do everything. Yeah. Okay. Yay, 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 yay. Let's see if we can do this with the voice client though. Nexus, yeah. Open Notepad.
Open Notepad.
Type hello in Notepad. Type hello in Notepad. Is it still recording? I'm confused. I did it type hello. Interesting. Type hello in Notepad. Open Notepad again. It's open Notepad again. So the voice one is bugging. Let's see. Try again. Type hello in Notepad. Or what? Do I have to stop?
Open Notepad.
Okay, so the voice is not working as well as the text client. Copy. Kind works, but push to talk doesn't the same way. Now my PC temps are going up because it's still running. Let me do Control C. Close this. Escape. Escape, not Control C. See, ChatGPT understands my intent, turns it into the software's intent, literally. Type a paragraph with bullet points about estimate 5,300 words, and it is doing it. Yo! And this is like, it's not typing in like terminal, it's typing in a notepad. That's the cool part. Yay! paragraph with bullet points about Epstein files in 300 words, and it is doing it. Yo! And this is like, it's not typing in like terminal, it's typing in a notepad. That's the cool part. Yay! I have a paragraph with bullet points about Epstein files in 300 words, and it is doing it. Yo! And this is like, it's not typing in like terminal, it's typing in a notepad. That's the cool part. Yay! I have a paragraph with bullet points about Epstein files in 300 words, and it is doing it. Yo! And this is like, it's not typing in like terminal, it's typing in a notepad. That's the cool part. Yay! I have a paragraph with bullet points about Epstein files in 300 words, and it is doing it. Yo! And this is like, it's not typing in like terminal, it's typing in a notepad. That's the cool part. Yay! I have a paragraph with bullet points about Epstein files in 300 words, and it is doing it. Yo! And this is like, it's not typing in like terminal, it's typing in a notepad. That's the cool part. Yay! What? What? They got Nazi flags. People marching in British Columbia. What?
Cause this gon' make the news, gonna make your move. Told that bitch get in cause she rest in peace, my granny, she got hit by
How is it still loading? Will ChatGPT be faster if I have a faster computer? No, right? This is all cloud based. Why I need to run local models, bro. Let's see. Yo, this is actually a good idea. You know that after I build this whole project, I should make a project that's built on entirely by the help of local AI, not ChatGPT. That would be a nice venture. Let me write it down in my notes app before I forget. Pew 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 pew. Oh no, it changed more than one file, no? Or is that the one file? No, it's changed more than one file. Change intent and orchestrator again. Okay, let me close all of these. Closed. It's not closed. Let me close this one and I will close both of them. Clear. Clear. clear, and then intent is first. Copy this. Control A, delete, Control V, paste, Control S, save, close. I'm trying to do this as lightning speed as I can, bro. Restart and push to talk test. Open notepad and immediately save you. Even if you never said yes, the second utterance will now replace the pending open notepad information with a new tool proposal instead of looping. For best user experience, you can still say yes, but now it won't deadlock if you don't. That's nice. Let's try that. Reload the engine, reload the watch client, and then reload push to talk, and then open notepad. I'm confused, bro.
Open notepad.
Alright. Type hello in notepad. Come on, bro. What is happening? Let me see. Run ended. Why?
Type hello into notepad.
So I do have to hit enter again. I'm confused. Okay. Yes, please. Yay!
Hello.
Okay, so I was just saying it wrong. Okay. Now let's try this. Type a paragraph about global warming in 500 words in Notepad.
Type a paragraph about global warming in 500 words in notepad. Into the active window.
Yes. Yeah.
Type a paragraph about global warming in 500 words in notepad.
Interesting. Type a paragraph about global warming in Notepad.
Type a paragraph about global warming in
Yes, please.
typed a paragraph about global warming in Notepad.
Nothing is happening. It's not typing. Why? Type I am Nexus in Notepad.
Type I am Nexus into Notepad. Type I am Nexus into Notepad.
Oh no, not that. Here, enter. Yes, please. Okay.
Type I am Nexus.
So why did those not work? Type a paragraph about global warming in Notepad.
Type a paragraph about global warming in Notepad. Into the active window.
Yes, please. Mm.
Type a paragraph about global warming in Notepad.
But 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 but. Oh. Yes, please.
Sure. How can I assist you today? Do you have a specific task or question in mind?
Okay. Okay. Generate text like Alright. Why are you here? Walk along. And You are using ChatGPT too? Oh my god, that's why it was lagging. That's funny as fuck. Here I am thinking that I gave it like too much complex stuff.
Me too. I was just asking pattern.
Did it do it?
So long.
Was it able to do it?
Yeah.
It actually made the pattern?
Yeah, but it didn't make it too accurate.
You could probably make it more accurate, no?
Yeah. It was just missing expressive.
Yeah, I'm just rocking with this. People on the stream are gonna think I'm retarded. I was dancing for my kid, bro. I'm not actually retarded. Oh, Lee is still regenerating the code. Okay. We're gonna have to take this to a new chat because this, keeps going unresponsive. Oh my god. Respond page. I wait till this, this thing becomes like this size. That's when the chat starts lagging. Sometimes it's long like this, when there's less chat to scroll through. The more it has to scroll through, the smaller the cursor gets. And yeah, when the cursor reaches like, or whatever this is called, reaches this size, it starts lagging. Ask me to just rewrite one file this time. Lucky. That filter removed of audio. That filter removed of audio. Control C, Control C. Closed it. Clear. This should also close on its own. Yep. Clear. So should this. No? Fine. Clear. Okay, boom. Boom. Now we edit the file. Which one? Intent saved. Now we can restart and test out the phrases. Okay. I've been doing it without reload. See, without reload and start fresh. But I've never done reload in the first place because why would I want it to reload while I'm changing the software? That just fucks it up. Don't save and close this too. Now we can run it again. Okay, loaded. Watch client. Watching and push to talk. Okay. Open notepad. What happened?
Open notepad.
Yes, please.
Open notepad.exe.
Notepad.exe.
I almost strangled Ferb with the fridge door.
How?
He got stuck when I opened the fridge.
Behind.
Yeah.
She finds it funny. She's like, yeah, strangle Ferb. Type a paragraph about global warming in 500 words in Notepad. Right? Why does Jack keep coming here? What does he want? Iris is not here, right? Yo. See? Hey. Why do they keep want to go back in the wires? What do the cats want with my wires?
This sounds like you're referencing something from a show or movie. Iris.
Oh my god, no. Okay. Type a paragraph about global warming in 500 words in Notepad.
Generate the text and type it into Notepad.
Yes. Please, yes. Yes. Let's see if it does say. Damn, son, what happened? Oh, it just took like a minute. Yeah, it's working. It's working. Yes, Abu, sorry, I scared you. No, you're laughing. Yes, you understand Papa's happy. Yo. Look, it's typing. Baby, look. It's typing in the notepad.
Wow.
paragraph that I told it to type with my voice.
Good job.
Yo. What happened? It typed it. It is done.
Type global warming, a phenomenon characterized by the gradual increase in Earth's average surface temperature, has emerged as one of the most pressing.
Hey, hey. 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 Goody, 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 goody. I dance her and then dance and entertain her every 5 minutes and come back to coding. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I keep dancing.
It's okay, I'm coming.
What is this behavior, huh? You can't see Papa's working. You want me to dance? Fine, I'll dance for you. Ooh. Ah, hold up. I sit down and she starts going. What is this behavior? Hmm. One sec. What? Which counter? Yeah. Why? What's on the counter? Wow. We're getting somewhere. most of me coding is just waiting for the code to load. So at the end of the day, me typing this code and this code loading and debugging will actually just take the same amount of time. You gotta vibe code smartly. I'm not saying I'm the smartest, but I'm also not being less efficient. Shit, so much shit. What the fuck? Why am I here? As much as I love cats, I do not like cat hair though. I don't think anybody does. Ouch. Ten more minutes and let's see what we can get done in 10 minutes. If if it were up to me to decide, I would say we accomplished a whole lot of stuff in 2 hours. We got it to work uh and do a lot of stuff that it wasn't doing before. Like type in the notepad, type context in the notepad, and then use voice to get those commands. Press this, don't save. Finish server process. I gotta change the orchestrator, okay. Excuse me. Open Notepad.
Open Notepad.
And then enter again. And then type a paragraph in 500 words about Epstein files in Notepad.
Generate the text and type it into Notepad.
Yes, please. Yes, please. I did not open Notepad though. Which is we have to use our app wrong so we can see how it behaves, because you know people are not going to use it the way it's intended to every single time. People can make mistakes, they can forget instructions, so it's essential to stress test your software in the wrong ways so that people don't end up getting bugs and just, like, you know, a mess on their table.
Could not find running process. Notepad.
Makes sense. Makes very much sense. Okay. Open Notepad. Yes, please.
Open Notepad.exe.
Type a paragraph in 500 words about the Epstein files in Notepad.
Generate the text and type it into Notepad.
Yes, yes, yes.
Generate the text and type it into Notepad.
Yes, please. Oh, let's see the magic. Let's see how much time it takes. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi, 11 Mississippi, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 39, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50.
Process has no main window yet. Notepad.
Can you hold it? Put it for me.
I did not work this time. Sorry?
Can you sit on your lap, please?
Yeah.
She just. I laughed at her and she laughed at me.
Yeah.
Yeah. And her first smelled like shit, so I think she's about to shit soon.
Why did you sauce me the child when she's about to shit?
Like,
She's gonna shit on me.
She does it in the morning. It's fine.
Process has no main window yet. Notepad.
What does that even mean? Let's see. Bye bye. Pepper. See, I was counting the latency. It almost took a minute to generate, and then said did generate. It didn't have. Damn. No chat messages today? No messages in chat today. I mean, nobody else. Of course you messaged. You have to be my top fan. No, it changes every stream. Whoever messages the most in a stream becomes the top fan. Today you are the top fan. The red one, the one you made last time. It was fine the way it is. Reload. 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 Okay. Open notepad. Hey, why you get scared? I'm just talking to my AI assistant.
Open Notepad.
Yes, please.
Open Notepad.exe.
Type a 500-word paragraph about the Epstein files in Notepad. This is my benchmark now. If it can make a paragraph about Epstein files or not. Type a 500-word paragraph about Epstein files in Notepad. Generate text. Yes. Yes, please. Let's see. Do your magic, please. Okay. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Type hello in Notepad.
Type hello and not bad into the active window. Type hello.
Yes, please.
Done, sir.
Saliva machine. Stop drooling on me, bruh. Ugh. Well, I guess that would have to be all for today's stream. Let's see. Yes, sir. It's been 2 hours and 6 minutes. And we accomplished a plenty of lot in 2 hours and 6 minutes. I couldn't finish debugging, typing into the notepad, but we will hopefully see it done tomorrow's stream and continue on with whatever we have left. Let's see how many streams it takes me to get this done. And FYI, I don't just work on this on stream. I do it on my own time too, but not much of my own time I have because life. And I have like 5 other projects at the same time. I don't like just sticking with one project every day, go and start again and then again and again. It gets tiring. You gotta rotate every now and then. Hmm? Okay, okay, my stream is done. And I'm gonna play with her now. Wait. Papa? You're bored? Allah. You can't be bored. I have to entertain you now. Peace out, brothers and sisters. She's shitting on me. I'm telling you, I felt the vibration.
Her mouth isn't doing the shitting face.
But then she farted.
Yeah.
Like I felt vibration on her diapers.
It's fine.
I don't want her to shit on me, bro.
She's not gonna shit.
It's gonna leak out of the diaper.
She won't shit on you. You can tell by her face.
I can't. I'm not looking at her face. I'm looking at the screen. She's looking at the screen too. Man. Fucking only. Okay, sayonara. End stream. Your stream will stop immediately and you will no longer be live. That's alright.